Hi everyone, my name is Amanda and I'm the face behind My Chem Help. I know I haven't posted a video in like 3 years or something, but I left chemistry and now I'm kind of back in chemistry. Anyway, I know the semester is about to start and I just wanted to post a video with some tips and tricks and kind of tell you about what you should expect on your first day in a chemistry lab. So the most important way to know that you're set up for success is by checking the syllabus and any emails or instructions your TA or your professor have sent to you. What you want to do before you get into the lab is you want to go through the syllabus and make sure you have all of the PPE, which is the personal protective equipment that you might need in requirement for attending the lab. So typically this involves either purchasing, or the university might provide for you, I don't know, you'll want to check on that. Goggles, so safety goggles, or glasses. You'll want to see what the policy for the university is, but most of the time it's safety goggles that stick to your entire face and not just a simple safety glasses. So you'll want to bring your safety goggles, and you'll also want to check your university's policy because some people don't require it, but lab coats. So at the university that I oversaw teaching labs for, we had lab coats that students could purchase. You can also buy them way cheaper, probably on Amazon. So make sure you have a lab coat. If not, I would wear a long sleeve shirt. It might not be required, but trust me, you don't want to get these chemicals on you. Another thing that you want to make sure you are always wearing in a chem lab, and some people are very strict and some people are slightly less strict, but you should always have basically everything from the neck down covered. So that means you want to wear long pants and closed-toed shoes. And some people have different definitions of closed-toed shoes, but any part of your foot that you don't want to get burned by acid, please cover it up. Usually I would keep an extra pair of boots in my car or something just in case I forgot my lab shoes. So this is a really good tip that I like to tell people. Just keep an extra long pair of pants and an extra pair of shoes in your car just in case you forget you have chem lab. And one thing you should also bring is the syllabus. I would print out the syllabus and I would print out the schedule, just like you do for any other class, I'm hoping. You want to check your syllabus and you want to check your schedule. So you want to know what you're going to be needed to be doing throughout that lab. So I would expect the first day is usually introductions and they'll go over the course with you. You'll probably have somebody come in and talk to you about safety. And then typically you go through your drawer, you're assigned in a drawer, and you go through and you do an inventory of everything that's in your drawer. So you're going to learn the different types of glassware and what's in your drawer and what you are required to be responsible for. Another big thing to do before you get to lab is to make sure that you have a lab notebook. Some universities have lab notebooks, and some universities have the experiments listed on like an e-learning website, and you just print them out before each lab and bring them. If that is the case, and if you are able, I would print out every single experiment and put it into a binder just so you have everything and you're not like, oh my gosh, I forgot to print the experiment for this week. No worries, because you already did it. So I would do that for your class. Make sure you have a lab notebook or you have the experiment printed. This is very, very important. Other than that, I think you're ready to go, and I think you can do it. Chem lab is kind of scary and sometimes it's very intimidating for people, but you know what? As long as you're respectful to the chemicals and you're safe, you can also have fun and you can learn a lot. Chemistry is really cool, and you'll be surprised by the really interesting experiments that you'll do and the different things changing colors and shapes and sizes. You're gonna be just fine. Have a good semester.